How to mute the original sound in TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find the fun option. Navigate to this plus option. With that, your camera will open up. Now, over here, you're going to find the gallery section. Click on that. Now, head towards the video that you're going to upload. Check in for it and then click on next. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now, at the top, you're going to see the option of add sound. Click on that. Here you're going to find the list of the music that you can set for your TikTok video. Also, you'll find the option of original sound. Go ahead and uncheck for that option without you have mute the original sound of that TikTok video. Now from this list of songs, you can select any of it. Then you are also able to customize the volume for it. Once you do that, you can click on done and upload it. So this way you can easily mute the original sound in TikTok. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.